LangChain agents, CrewAI agents, AutoGen agents, every framework gives you a different API for the same thing. But underneath all of them is one algorithm. It's called React. And you can build it in 60 lines of Python. Most devs use agents like a magic box. Prompt goes in, action comes out. But when the agent picks the wrong tool, loops forever, or hallucinates an action, they have no idea why. Because they've never seen what's inside. In this video, we're going to crack open that black box. We'll build a React agent from scratch, a reasoning loop, tool execution, and memory, in pure Python. No LangChain. No frameworks. By the end, you won't just use agents. You'll understand them. React stands for Reasoning Plus Acting. It's from a 2022 paper by Yao et al. The idea is dead simple. Instead of going straight from question to answer, the agent thinks step by step, thought, action, observation, in a loop, until it has enough information to give a final answer. This loop is the entire agent. Everything else is implementation detail. When your LangChain agent picks the wrong tool, this loop is where it went wrong. The thought was bad, or the observation wasn't parsed correctly, or the system prompt didn't constrain the action space. If you understand this loop, you can debug any agent in any framework. Let's build the React loop step by step. First, the system prompt enforces the format. Then a run method sends it to the LLM, parses the response, checks if it's the final answer, executes the action, appends the observation, and loops. Message history acts as our memory, just a simple list. This is what LangChain's agent executor does. Over 200 lines of framework code. We did it in 25. Now for the tool system. We'll build two tools, a web search API call and a safe calculate expression wrapper. Then we build the router. We parse the action name from the LLM, match it to the function, execute it, and return the observation. Tool calling isn't magic. It's string parsing. The LLM outputs a tool name and arguments as text. You parse it. You call the function. That's it. The agent is only as good as its system prompt. This is the secret weapon. This is where you define the rules. What tools are available, what format to use, and when to stop. This prompt is the agent's brain. Change it, and the agent behaves completely differently. No code change needed. Finally, we put it all together. We assemble the agent class, the tools, and the system prompt into a working agent in one file. 60 lines. One file. Zero dependencies beyond an LLM API. This is a production-grade reasoning loop. Let's run a live demo multi-step task. What's the population of Tokyo, and what's that number divided by the population of Iceland? Here is the agent reasoning step by step. A thought, an action, an observation, looping until the final answer. Now let's look at the LangChain equivalent. I'm not saying don't use LangChain. I'm saying, now you know what it does. And when it breaks, you'll know where to look. This is the React pattern. It's the foundation. But production agents need more. Planning, reflection, multi-agent coordination. I'm building all of them from scratch on this channel. No frameworks. Pure Python. Subscribe if you want to engineer, not just import.